Hello from the brand new terminal here at the Pittsburgh International Airport. Today they're having an open house because the new terminal is opening very soon here in the fall of 2025. And in case you are flying out of the Pittsburgh Airport soon, let's go ahead and go take a tour so that way you know what to expect whenever you're visiting. So let's go do it. Now, where they have us parked is one of the new terminal lots in front of the new terminal. So there's going to be a lot new parking here at the Pittsburgh Airport. But I thought I'd show you a little bit if you have been to the Pittsburgh Airport before traveling in or out. You can see here, this is the old landside terminal that they're actually doing away with. So originally the landside terminal, you would go, you would check in, you would check your bags, and then there was a little tram that I think actually goes underneath here to the terminal. They're doing away with that to create more efficiency, so you won't do the tram anymore. And they also have a brand new parking garage here. So this is the parking garage, and I was watching their YouTube video. I think this is actually one of the largest parking garages in Pennsylvania, which is really neat that we have that at the airport now. So you have the old terminal, and then looking over here is the brand new one that we're gonna go and take a tour of now. So as I mentioned, I'm in the new terminal lot that's in front of the new terminal. They've got the parking garage, but in case you are visiting, I wanted to share one of our favorite places to park here at the Pittsburgh Airport. It is called Fast Park and Relax. It is an off-site parking area that you can park at, but we love how efficient they are. They are very kind, very nice whenever it comes to parking here at the Pittsburgh Airport. I can go ahead and share a link below. If you want to sign up, you get a free day of parking for your first time parking, so you can check that out below. Here's another look at the terminal lot. So tons of parking spaces here, and this is the front side of the new terminal. Kind of reminds me a little bit of the old one. I know the inside architecture I'm really excited to look at, but here's our check-in for the event. They have tons of new roadways for this new terminal, so it looks like, I think on the top you're going to have your departures, and on the bottom you're going to have your arrivals. So there are two stories to this, for if you are dropping off or if you are leaving, and then if you are coming to pick up as well. Before I go in, I'm also just looking at the parking garage, and it looks like they have a giant covered walkway from the parking station into the terminal, which will be really nice for the winters here in Pittsburgh. Here's a look at the bottom floor. So I imagine this is like if you are getting a shuttle or an Uber, and then you can walk down underneath here, maybe to baggage claim. Oh, I already see some of the boards for the different flights, so let's see. We got all checked in, and they gave us a little map for a self-guided tour. Over here they have all of the little symbols, and then there's TSA, the Atrium. Ooh, the incline, we're gonna have to see what that is. They have tons of other things here to check out in the new terminal. I'm excited. Oh, yay, here we go. Here we are in baggage claim, and look at the nice new signage that they have. Oh, ground transportation's downstairs, so you can use your ride shares and everything. Look at all the baggage claim. I saw that they are using new technology for the baggage claim, so that's really exciting. But they have a ton of different baggage claim stations. Oh, they have little activities. In terms of the baggage claim signs, they are ginormous, so you can easily see where your flight is for the baggage claim, so you can easily find your bag. This is the outdoor terrace. It's not done yet, but I think it's really neat that they're gonna have an outdoor area here near the airport. This is also the animal relief area, so you can go out this terrace door D. It's not done yet, but it'll look really nice whenever it is. It'll kind of add a different outdoorsy theme to the airport, especially since the inside is themed to different Pennsylvania trees. I think it'll be cool. We're still on the second level. Oh my gosh, look at this. It is really nice and open air in here. And I don't know if you can see on the video, but they have these little constellation lights on the ceiling that really add to the nice open air experience in the terminal. It's also very, very different from the original one. This is definitely a glow up. They have this art figure in the middle. I think they had this in the old terminal. I remember seeing that before. They also have these like wooden tree structures.
If you scan the QR code, you can play I Spy. So there are 15
Andy would love this.
hidden objects in the Lego display.
Wait, that's really cool. They have a Penguins jersey, a bunch of different airplanes, buildings. Those are really cool. Since it's the opening house, they're doing some media here, and we were just pulled aside to do some interviews. So Madison, my sister's going now. I just went, and then Mandy will go afterwards. Here's another look at Cafe Conmigo. I love the greenery in here, and you can see the open air again. Here is the pit sign. I don't know if they'll always have this out, but it's at least a fun little photo op that we can get right now. So again, there's Cafe Conmigo. I don't think it's open today. I wish we could try it, but here's one of the boards with all of the arriving flights. I love how this looks. Very nice and sleek. Let me know where your next destination will be out of Pittsburgh. We frequently fly from Pittsburgh to Orlando. We love their direct flights, and we love going to Disney World, so I'm so excited when this is officially open to travel out of to head down to the parks. How did you guys feel about being interviewed?
It was pretty cool. Felt like the star of the show, honestly.
Yeah, star of the show.
The new face of the Pittsburgh Airport.
There you
go.
We are passing the coffee shop. We have the connecting flights gate over here, and then there's also restrooms, and then international arrivals are straight ahead, and they also have an animal relief area that's over to the left. So we pretty much finished walking around the second floor here where the baggage claim is at, but we need to go upstairs and check out, I think upstairs is where TSA is, but at least we want to look down and see the bottom part of the terminal here. Mandy just pointed out something really neat on the side of the boards that show you all the flight arrivals and departures. Look, all of the wood is grown and handcrafted in Pittsburgh. What a nice little detail. Look at how fun this little suitcase and cloud detail is above the baggage claims, and they change like little change boards. Look how cute that is, like at a train station. What's this one say? A single book. We are gonna take the escalator stairs. This is the exit if you wanna go to pit parking in the Hyatt Regency shuttle, but upstairs we go to get to, I think, TSA.
We are currently upstairs at departures, and we love little hidden details. So as you can see here behind me, these are supposed to look like tree columns, which is such a fun detail, but an even cooler detail are the little leaves. There are 12 leaves scattered across the departures area by Clayton Merle. These 12 different leaves represent the tree species native to Western Pennsylvania, which is such a fun detail.
So we have some of the check-in gates here in the corner. We have Alaska, Frontier. Over here is JetBlue, United, Southwest. We love Southwest and Spirit for their direct flights to Orlando. And then over on the other side, we also have Breeze, Spirit, and Delta.
So the constellation lighting that you can see up here, there's more than 4,500 of them, and they represent the stars in the Western Pennsylvania sky. And it enhances an intuitive wayfinding by guiding passengers from ticketing to the security checkpoint. I feel like that is very wholesome.
We are still upstairs, and I wanted to show you on these boards, they have different time limits for how long the lines are for security. So you have standard, pre-check, priority, and clear, and it tells you all of the different times. The security is over on the opposite side, and we will go and check that out. But I just hope you can see from the video how open and spacious the new terminal is. This is the upstairs. You can see the mobile. We'll go look at the downstairs where we were, where the little pit symbol was, and then Cafe Conmigo. But just look at how open and spacious. Definitely, I feel like this is a more relaxed vibe. If you're nervous for traveling, this definitely has a more relaxed feel and more efficient. I mean, you literally come in and go straight to security. I love that. This is the right side of the check-in booths. We have Breeze, Delta, Spirit, and in the back is Allegiant and British Airways. We haven't done an international flight from Pittsburgh recently, but we would love to visit Disneyland Paris one day. Maybe next year we might be flying out of here, who knows? Madison also pointed out another leaf. Very neat detail. The seating here is also very, very cool. Very rounded. Oh, and they have outlet plugs. That's like a huge thing now. They have USB-C, USB, and standard outlets. We're gonna go check out security, but I wanted to show you the other side. They're gonna have Camden Food Co. So you can have a little bite to eat before you head through security. And they also have bathrooms over here. They're gonna have a Hudson news store And it looks like they also have a nursing station here. And we have made it to TSA, so you can make your way to all of the gates through here. They have the standard, assisted, priority, and clear. And then over here we have the TSA and the employee line. It looks like they have some new machines, lots of lines to wrap through. We'll see if we can walk through them, not sure. It looks like we can walk through pre-check. So when you're walking through, you still see these tree columns, the rolling hills, the nice constellation lights. They have the clear kiosk set up. And then walking through here, you can show your ID, take your photo, and verify your pre-check. There's all these security lines. These are the really cool security booths that they're actually, I think, automated. So the bins come through on a conveyor, and then I think you take them out and push them down through the machine. That's really cool. All right, we are gonna try out the new security. We have our suitcase. Okay. Okay.
Are we gonna have bins over here?
Okay.
Then my next question would be, just go ahead and place it down.
Oh.
Take it out. The bin,
Oh.
or the bag.
Look at that.
Has to be,
Oh.
it has to be in the bin.
Wow.
What you
Okay,
can do
okay.
is
Oh my gosh, that's so cool. That's awesome.
hand me the bin. I mean, they're right there. But
Yay, okay, there goes our bag. All right, I'm waiting for my bag to go through. So I need to get my body scan. Beep, beep. Looks like I was clear.
ma'am, you alarmed everywhere.
Yeah. And there's my bag that made it through. Looks like they just have it stopped, but I think usually it would come down if it's clear, and then on the other side if it needs more checking. Then when it comes down here, the bins go in here and are shot down the other way that the other passengers can pick them up. Really, really neat and efficient security area. I'm excited about that. Here's some of the check-in booths at Southwest. Everything looks so neat and new and clean and fresh. It's just going to be really fun to use this whenever it's open. We are going to leave the upstairs, take an elevator ride down.
Perfect
It is?
for your checked
Yes.
bags.
Very nice. We're going to go to level 1 so we can get to the parking lot. So we'll pretend like we're getting done with our flight and we're arriving home. Well, that is going to do it for our tour of the new terminal here at the Pittsburgh International Airport. Pittsburgh, you are not ready for this new terminal. It is so open, so efficient, so welcoming. The attention to detail is so fun. You have to check it out whenever you're visiting here. Let me know in the comments where you're going to be flying next out of the new terminal. We can't wait to fly out for our upcoming Disney visit. Thanks so much for checking out the tour with us. We hope you enjoy the new terminal whenever you come, and we'll see you guys in the next video. See you guys.